You guessed it right. We are in the Warrior's kitchen and I'm going to make a simple Easter Monday smoothie. It's not really an Easter Monday smoothie, it's just a smoothie that I'm doing on Easter Monday. So of course we have mangoes. Not sure what kind of mango is this. I think it's 11 or 12. Smell good though. 1 banana. Beets, not sure how much beets I'm going to use as yet. And ginger. This is all the ingredients we're going to use. And if it's too thick, then we use water. We're gonna peel with banana. Yo, I don't know what some man, you know, most of them don't bite banana, then break it, and I'll teach you that banana is supposed to be bitten. So you eat banana. Anyways, we can't eat that all I cause I need it for my smoothie, right? Bob broke banana. Eat that thing that. Ginger, probably use this little piece. Also some ginger chang. But the knife weak. This is enough ginger. Beet is like the closest thing to your blood. I mean, dark red. I bring out the big boy today because y'all know what happened the last time. You can check out my how to make green smoothie video and you will see what happened. Top work. Jose. Of course, I'm gonna leave that to eat later. Or no. Another one. Perfect mango, them have the juice. Perfect mango. Almost slice off my finger. Sure, me I not step the wall with the mango juice. I'm sure about it. Now ask Christ. Last mango. You can tell so it's gonna be mango dominant, but that's fine. What shall I call this smoothie? A mango beets, a beets mango, a ginger mango beets. Fruit smoothie! Nice! 3-second rule. Alright, so I woke up really early this morning. I went for like a 1 mile warm-up run. Then I did some push-ups, 20 push-ups, 50 sit-ups. Worthlessly, I ran around a route that we love to call the fitness route. I did it in 19 minutes and 32 seconds, but on a regular basis, you know, if I'm being tested and all of that, it will be like 60 minutes, 70 minutes, but I just wanted to, you know, get the blood flowing. And after exercise, I love to come back to a green smoothie or a fruit smoothie, and today we're doing the mango, beets, banana, ginger, water smoothie. This is too thick, so I'm just going to pour some water in it and get the blender going. A little toops. Alright, this will look like the work. Hold on there. Oh my God. Yeah, tracking, it's tracking. Alright, so I don't normally like ice in my smoothie. Talk about it a lot, I hate it. I prefer to use frozen banana. So if anything, I probably just pop it in the freezer, make it chill a little bit. But other than that, yeah, I'm to ice in a smoothie thing, trick that. Make a smoothie look enough and a little bit of ingredients. No teeth in smoothie place, them you see. Pouring time. Heavy. Yes, that not taste bad. Just the right amount of ginger, I think. The banana and the mango blend so well. I was thinking to use 2 bananas, but then I say mango thick, banana thick and heavy. No. Contrary to popular beliefs, they only orange alone give you vitamin C. Mango does as well. You know, everybody knows that the banana for the potassium. And the beets help with the blood. Ooh. Ginger get a nice little kick. Put this in the freezer for cool while I wash off the dirty body because I don't bathe yet. Yes, I plan for bathe. Thank you so much for joining me today in the Warrior's Kitchen. I truly appreciate it. I hope you go out and make the smoothie today, Easter Monday. Please to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to massage the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. And to all my warriors out there, Godspeed.